Okay, please let me know whether my screen is visible to you all. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, very good morning to one and all. In last 2 3 lectures, actually we had gone through the DC motors, right? So today we will see the DC machine. So, as how many of you fill the gate form? Just raise your hands. How many? Raise your hands immediately. How many of you filled the gate forms? Just keep your hands as a horizon. Swapnali, Snehal, Ame Kumar, Manjili, Preeti, Renuka, Venkatesh, Sachin, Anil, and Rajashri. Okay, Vishali. Okay, very good, very nice. So I think the examination for the gate will be at around first or second week of February, right? Maybe in a February. So for now, this is the 25th of September. Okay, so let me tell you just this is schedule for you. Okay, so this is the October, November, December, January. Okay, so now only 4 months are in your hands. Okay, so how you can plan? There are 13 subjects. There are 13 major subjects. Okay, so these 13 subjects are there for the GATE examination, but out of that 30, if you are planned to complete at least 6 subjects with very proper knowledge, what I told, if you complete or if you finish the 6 subjects with proper knowledge, then you can easily crack the GATE examination. Do you get my point? Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
So,
sir.
so So out of 13 subjects, so that 13 subjects may be electrical machines, electrical measurement, network analysis, power system, control system, then signal and system, then a digital signal processing, then a electromagnetic engineering, then a we can say 10 more subjects are there. So like 13 subjects are there. Okay. So in that 13 subject, already what subjects you have learned? Tell me, which subjects you have learned in 2 years, that second year, electrical machine, right? Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Subject,
sir.
measurement, have you learned? Third, sub, third
Yes.
subject, power system,
Power system.
Team.
you have learned. Fourth subject, network analysis, right?
Yes, sir.
Fifth subject, which you have learned,
Aptitude.
general aptitude, very good. General aptitude. One more, sixth subject, English, that is covered into general aptitude, no issue. Then one subject, one more subject. Can you tell me? ADC, ADIC. Have you learned?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Electronics. So is it enough? Have we have 6 subjects, right? Just discuss with me, okay? Is it correct that 6 subjects in front of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now let me tell you that machine having a weightage of 12 to 15 marks, 14 marks. Measurement again having a 10 to 12 marks. Power system 12 to 14 marks. Network analysis again 12 to 14 marks. General aptitude is around 20 marks. Okay, general aptitude will include whatever the quantitative is there and English grammar, right? And the ADIC which is around 8 to 10 marks. 8 to 10 or we can say 7 to 8. So see how much marks you can cover. 12 plus 10, 22, 22 plus 12, 34, 32 plus 34 plus 12, that is a 46, 46 plus 20, 66, and this 8. That means around 75 marks syllabus you can cover. Is it clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So now, out of these 75, what how many marks you have to get? If you are a SC category, then you should at least obtain 18 to 20 marks. If you are a OBC category student, then you have to get around 25. And if you are in an open category candidate, then you have to obtain 30 around marks, right? So this will be the tentative, or we can say the uh, I have assumed that this time also gate score will be crack score will be around this much. Okay. So now you tell me for the SC category student, how many of you SC category who have filled the gate form? Those who have filled the gate form, out of them, how many are there which belongs to SC/ST category? Swapnali, Anil, and Arti. Okay. So you three, how much mark you should carry? You have to carry marks around 18 to 20. Is it difficult? Swapnali, is it difficult?
No, sir.
No, because if you only just prepare yourself very strong in case of general aptitude, in that only you can obtain 20 marks. So for SC/ST category, if you have 20 marks, you can easily crack the gate examination. So everyone just make sure that you will obtain maximum marks in case of the general aptitude, right? So out of 20, you can easily obtain around 12 marks in a general aptitude. So now for SC category, how many marks remaining for the technical? That is only about 8 marks. For the OBC, that is around 12-13 marks. And for the open, that is around 18-20 marks, right? So you have to complete one or two more subjects very properly. That means if I will ask A to Z in any subject, any technical subject, you should tell me, right? So you can select the subjects like is your choices. Okay, now let me tell you, as I told you, you can just clear for the 6 subjects, so that will be easier for you to get the crack of examination. Now there is a 4 months. Okay, so out of these 4 months, how you will utilize the time? How you can utilize? So let me tell you, in October month you can complete electrical machine 1 and measurement. 2 subjects are correlated to each other, because in measurement also there is a power measurement. Okay, then there is a analog as well as digital instruments. Okay, so these 2 subjects you can cover into October month. Okay, still 5 days are there in your hand of September. Still 5 days of September is there. So in that 5 days you can clear a general aptitude. In these 5 days, just make a schedule. Are you people getting me or not? Is it boring?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so for this, for 25th to 1st of October, there is a 5 more days. Just sit calmly and just prepare your own timetable and just try to start the exam. So 5 days you can give for the general aptitude. Okay, already you are in touch with aptitude, so 5 days are enough. For October month, you carry 2 subjects, measurement as well as machine, because that 2 subjects also you have just 5 to I can say that 20-50 days only. You have just in touch with these subjects, right? Am I right? These subjects you are in touch. Measure machine 2, you have just given just 10-15 days back you have given the examination. Machine 2, 6 months back you have given machine 1, right? So these subjects you are very good in these subjects, right? Then for November month you can go for the power system and network analysis. For the November, you go for the power system and network analysis. You just give a 15 days for the each subject. For the December, you give the ADIC as well as another one more subject you can add, that should be a control system or the signal system. But I just say you that you give this 2 month December month for the general aptitude and ADIC again. Am I clear? 3 months we will complete 6 subjects. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Then January in your hand, and that January you just divide into 15 days. In a 15 days, in a 15 days. So first 15 days, again you give 2 days for the each subject for the revision. So that means 6 subjects you will get 12 days. So that 12 days will for the revision in month of January. Then remaining 18 days you solve previous question paper as well as online test series. In this 18 days you can just solve the what test series. So suppose I'll solve the test and then I come to know that I'm little bit weak in any particular subject, then you should go for that particular point. येतंय लक्षात? म्हणजे तुम्हाला 18 दिवस मिळणार आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही टेस्ट सोडवा, तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस करा, जुने क्वेश्चन पेपर सोडवा आणि त्याच्यावरून तुम्हाला कळेल तुम्ही किती पाण्यात आहात आणि त्याच्यावरून ठरवायचं आहे की कुठल्या टॉपिक मध्ये कुठल्या पॉइंट मध्ये मी वीक आहे अँड दॅट यू हॅव टू मेक अस मोर स्ट्रॉंगर, राईट. जर सपोज आपल्याला आपला विकनेस माहित असेल तर परफॉर्मन्स करण्यास मजा येते, कारण आपल्याला माहिती आहे की आय एम वीक इन दिस फील्ड, so this is a challengeable task for you. Is that clear? So this is the timetable, this is the schedule. Okay, so now how you will plan the, now it is clear for the 4 month. If any doubt, anyone want to ask anything, you can ask me. Yes, anyone, any doubt, any problem in a schedule? Please, yes or no?
No, sir.
Fine. Now for the daily, how you can complete the daily schedule? Let us see. If suppose you waking up at a 7, okay. If you waking up at a 7, you just complete all your works up to 7:30 only. Up to 7:30 a.m. You should just finish your all daily works and start to study from 7:30 to the 9:30. 7:30 to the 9:30 is that 2 hours you will get, okay. Then 30 minutes you take a rest, and after that 30-minute rest you go for the lectures, okay. So whatever lectures they are taking, this is again related to the your gate examinations only, okay. So this is will be the 10 to 11 12, you can just give exam, you just prepare lectures, so there will be a 3, after 3 3:30 till 3 to 3:30 you just take a rest of 30 minutes again, okay. Now 3:30 to 7:30 continuous 4 hours, that is not a bad thing, okay. That you can do, you can sit at a particular place for 4 hours, so that time you just go for the study, that will be the 4 hours. 7:30 to 8:30, 7:30 to 8:30 you just have your dinner, you have your discussion with your parents, your brothers, sisters, you just enjoy your time in this 1 hour, so that will be the enjoy time. Now 8:30 to 10:30, 8:30 to 10:30, then again you can go for the study, that will be the 2 hours, so there will be a 10:30. Now 10:30 to 11, 10:30 to 11, that is the 30 minutes, that will be a half hour, okay. Just insert your headphones into your ears and just listen bindas music, okay. So that is that music which can make you happy, just listen that music and just go to bed at 11, so you can take a sleep of 8 hours, right? Am I right or wrong? Is there any correction you want to do? Am I going perfectly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So just go for 8 hours bed. Just go for 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means 8 hours study. Okay. That means 8 hours sleep, 8 hours study, and remaining let you join for the classes and for the your personal also enjoy things. Right. So I think there is no issue regarding this schedule. Okay. But keep in mind, if you are taking this examination as just time pass, then this schedule is not for you. If you want that you have to do something in your life, if you want to do something in your career, then you just follow this schedule and come after the 12th or 15th March with result. And I totally guarantee you that you may crack a examination. You can crack the exam. Okay, that is not a big deal. Okay, so this is all about the schedule. Okay, then again one more thing I would like to tell you that I am also preparing this time for the examination. If you people want to do the study with me also, then you are free to discuss with me for any particular subject. Okay, so if you are interested, anyone from you just make a WhatsApp group, we can discuss on this group. If you want any particular point discussion, I will upload the videos for you. I will make a live class for you anytime. This is there is no time duration. Okay, but if you want to be do properly or serious in this examination, otherwise no. Okay, so this is all about the schedule. and this schedule I am personally following. Okay, so I request you all to follow the same schedule. So this is all about the schedule and all the things we had discussed. So let us go for the subject. Okay, so recently we had seen about the few numericals as well as theoretical overview about the DC motor. So today onwards we will see the theoretical overview about the DC machines as well as we will see few numericals on the DC machine, right? So here in front of you, you can see the theoretical overview of the DC machine. So as all you know how the DC machine works, right? So first thing, see what I am trying to tell you that is important. See, DC machine are the electromechanical energy conversion device. This question will not be asked in a gate examination. See, what is the reality? You should accept, you should adapt to that one. What I wrote here, that is not going to ask in your examination. Why then I took that things here? Because I want you to clear your basic concepts, then and only then you can go for the application based study, right? So the gate examination, the whatever the institutes are dealing with the gate examination, they are asking a questions on a application based, right? So this is all about the theoretical overview of a DC machine. So as you all know, that is the electromechanical device. So how we can say this is electromechanical? Because the electrical as well as mechanical energy can be generated, right? Then that machine which having a getting a input power from a DC source, and then it is generating a mechanical power, right? So a simple the DC machine having again two parts, that is the stationary part, stator, rotationary part, rotor, okay, and these rotor which will consist of an armature as well as which is cylindrically core. Okay. So one more question: how many of you having a gate material? How many of you? Do you people having a gate study material? Yes or no?
No.
Who say no? Please let me know your name so I can share the details. So I can give you one. Let me check whether I had or not. Okay. See, I have this much questionnaires. Okay. So like you can see, if suppose I open analog electronics. Okay. So electronics that I had like that way. See. I have the questionnaires from for this analog, that is around 100 questions will be there. So the early effect in a bipolar, that questions I had. Again, I would like to show something new. See, there is a notes for the electrical machine. I can show you. So this is like electrical machines. You can see. So basics only. Some basic rules are there. So like what is that right hand rule? Okay. So like that way, only the things I had that covered whatever I had here. Okay. Then how this wire loop. So related to machines that I had questionnaires. Okay. Then basic electricals. Okay. So how this alternating quantity generates. Okay. What is this small equation? How this generation AC voltage, how AC voltage get generated. Okay. So that all materials I had. So if you all anyone want from me, then just I'll do one thing. I'll just upload.
हॅलो सर,
Yes.
गुगल ड्राईव्हला हे दोन्ही पण फोल्डर अपलोड करून त्याची लिंक प्रोव्हाइड करा ना सर आम्हाला.
Okay. Okay.
म्हणजे आम्हाला पाहिजे तेव्हा आम्ही ओपन करून ते वाचू पण शकतो.
Okay. Let me show you some more things that actually I had. Like here, see, you can see here is a folder. Can you see the folder name?
Yes sir.
It is a see first folder, that is aptitude. Okay. So in that I can show you there is a too much files with me for the aptitude. For example, square and cubes. Okay. So you can easily go for this page and you can easily understand what is the formula for the keys and that. Then I can show you some vocabulary. Okay. Then some questionnaires. Okay. So like algebras, there is a questionnaires, right? There is a some answers also. Okay. So you can go for this one. Then again, in case of a gate examination, you can see here analog digital. So analog digital, some test series I got. That test series are here. Okay, they made easy. Actually, I think you heard that name. How many of you heard that name? Made easy. Very good, Snehal. So this is nothing but this is a one coaching institute which makes students to get cracked. Okay. So like that from their test series, I had collected some PDFs. So here you can see, consider the circuit shown below. So you can understand how what kind of questions will be asked. So these are the question, and then again answer is there. Also solution is given here. You can see the solution also. So like that way, I had study material for the GATE examination. Okay. For example, suppose I want to take the see, I would like to show you the syllabus here. This is the syllabus. You already know that. So that electric circuit, electromagnetic, you can avoid. You can avoid that. So I'll just highlight what you can go for. You can go for the engineering mathematics. Everyone, mathematics is clear for everyone. Is there any doubt or problem in mathematics? Or is it difficult? Tell me. This is free forum. You can discuss with me. See, then I'll just highlight which syllabus you can cover. Okay, that electric circuit. That is already you have learned network graph, KCL, KVL, two-port network, Thevenin. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then electrical machine. This one. Okay. That in that case, single phase transformer, auto transformer, conversion, that things are there. Then power system. This one. Power system. So in that principal power factor correction, series shunt compensation, Newton-Raphson method, control system you can avoid. Then this one, electrical measurement. Then analog digital electronics. Okay. So how many subjects? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 subjects. And last one is a general aptitude, right? Am I right?
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. So only if you focus on that one, then you can just easily crack the grade, right? Some reference books I had mentioned here. Okay, you can see here. You can take a screenshot of that also. Electrical materials not possible. See, for electrical circuit, that A.K. Chakrabarti is very good. It is very good book. Electrical and electronics measurement. A.K. Soni is best. J.V. Gupta is again best. Then what is the next subject? Analog and digital, like digital. So there is a Cedra and Smith. That is a very good book. Okay. For electrical machines, I can say Nagrath is very good. P.S. Bhimra is also good. Power system, C.L. Madhava as well as Nagrath Kotari is very good. Okay. So this is the reference books you can refer. Okay, and here you can see some ebooks are there. So ebooks means you can select ebook for any subject. Suppose network is there, so for the network subject there are few books which I had. Okay, as I told you, there is a book which I told you about the Chakravarti. Also, I told you about the. This is also good book, Fundamental of Electric Circuits by the Alexander and Sadiku. Okay, this is also very good book. Okay, so from this you can go for. Okay, so very in well manner they had explained everything, so you can go for that also. Okay, so this all data which is very easily you can have this data. Okay, electrical machines also. See here, electrical machines, fundamentals by Stephen Chapman. Very good book. Also Bhimra, as I told you, Bhimra is here. Okay, so you can see how this they had given the examples and all the things. Okay, so you can just take benefit of that all, right? Then also I can show you in case of these ebooks, electrical network, electrical machine. Here also these series are there. Okay, and also one thing I told you that in a GATE examination there is a combination of subject like a questions are there. If suppose there is a question, this will be asked into machine as well as digitally. So like this question, 3-phase 6 kV, 20 pole, 50 hertz induction motor as a rotor resistance, all that data is given. So how you can solve that? If you got the correct answer, you have to write here. That is the correct answer. So you have to solve that like that way and this. So all this data I had given here, you can just take benefit of this free data. Is that clear? Is it good thing or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then again, I had calculated here important topics. Okay, see here. This is the survey which I had personally done. Okay, so So when 2018 GATE examination was there, so I had just studied whatever the topics covered in recent last 3 years. So I had appeared for the 2018 and I got that time 32 marks. So at that time I got the crack exam. Okay. Then the electrical machines, which topics they mostly prefer? DC machine, transformer losses, induction machine, synchronous machine, special machine. Then 2016, in that they had mentioned some topics, so I had just covered this topic, right? So you can easily take benefit of that. Okay, means you just will understand what is the major their focus. Okay, so here in this case you can say aptitude paper. So I had taken again identify the correct sentence as per the standard English. So what will be the answer? Right? Tell me. She is an alumnus of the local college. She is an alumni of the local college. She is an alumna of the local college. She is an alumni of local college. Which will be the right answer? Aluminous. That is not alumni. No. If he is, there is a he, then this will be alumni. She is an alumna. I think that will be the right. She is an alumni. That will be also wrong. So answer C will be the right. Let us check. Yeah. So answer C will be the right, and you will get 1 mark. Right. So that is not that much hard, is it? If you plan properly, if you go properly, then this will be the easy. So this is the aptitude test, as well as some this type of questions on English. I had just written taken here or collected here. You can go for that. Okay, then full syllabus test. This is the full syllabus test. What is meant by the QPDT. Okay, so this is the full test, means totally on electrical machine. Okay. Then question, the calendar for the year 2007 will be the same for the year. That means 2007 ला जे कॅलेंडर असेल ते कुठल्या वर्षी परत सेम असेल? That may be 2018, 11 वर्षानंतर. Okay. Then there is the questions like inductance of 10 meter length of coaxial. So that is again here. So this also with the solution, that is complete test. You can see there may be a 50 questions. Sorry, 65 questions. See, this is the 65 question. Can you see? This is the 65th question. Okay, so from that you can solve. Is it helpful or not? Then GATE mock tests are there. This is the GATE mock test. Okay, so you can just take benefit of this GATE mock test also. This is also as a total sample question paper. So once you will be easy available for the completely complete the syllabus, then January month you can take benefit of that. So part wise syllabus. So means what? So power electronics, analog digital, that is again. So mock also, more tests are there, many more tests. You just come for to me, I'll just give you whatever you want. So this is the, see, 4 subject mix, means electrical circuit, electromagnetic field engineering, control system, signal system. Based on these 4 subjects, some question will be asked. So there is a question, the current through the 5 ohm resistor. How many of you can calculate? How many of you can calculate? This is the 5 ohm resistance. Just tell me, if can calculate, then we'll go further. या 5 ohm resistance मधला आपल्याला करंट कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आहे. Is it possible? Is it hard? Is it part of electrical circuit network? Is it part of electrical circuit network?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is it hard or is it simple? Can you solve that example? Tell me. Can you solve? See, if suppose you can't solve, say how they solved. They just applied KVL, KCL. See, here we are collected I current. Okay, 2 ampere current is flowing here. That means I minus 2 is here. So I applied KVL for this one, right? So like that way they had just solved, and the current they have got 4.67, and that will be the answer. Okay, it's very easy and simple things. You can see what I had taken here, what I am giving to you. But for that, you should be with a proper knowledge. You should be with proper knowledge. Some objectives are there, objective books about applications of the power system. So that questions all are collected in single way. Okay. For the general aptitude also, you can go for the general aptitude here. See, what is the turtle? That means what can be the another correct meaning, or what can be word we can use for that one. So all these things you can get at one place. Okay. So are you interested for this material?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many of you
Yes, sir.
interested? Okay, just raise your hands. How many of you interested for this material? Very good response. Now there is a one condition. Now let me see how many hands will be rising. हात कुणीही खाली करायचं नाही. एक कंडिशन सांगणार आहे मी, त्याच्यानंतर मला पाहायचंय किती हात वरती राहतील. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 14 15 16 17 18 hands are rising right now. The condition is you have to share me whatever study for the gate you have done for the daily basis. Is it possible? कळलं नसेल तर मी सांगतो की तुम्हाला काय करायचंय, एक व्हॉट्सअपचा ग्रुप आपण क्रिएट करणार आहोत आणि त्या ग्रुपमध्ये प्रत्येकाला त्या दिवशी त्यांनी काय स्टडी केला याचे स्क्रीनशॉट सेंड करायचे किंवा एक पीडीएफ करून पाठवायचे. इज इट पॉसिबल?
Yes, sir.
इज इट
Yes,
Yes,
पॉसिबल?
sir. Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very nice response. Thank you very much. So daily, as whatever time schedule I had given to you, you just study that thing and you just post that into the group. We can create a Telegram group. Is it okay for everyone? Telegram group.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just I'll just create a one Telegram group. You can post whatever you have studied. So once you all complete your study, particularly that personally, I am sending that material to them. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
For now, I am sending only e-books. Only e-book. सध्याच्याला मी सगळ्यांना e-book पाठवत आहे. E-book मध्ये पहा आणि स्टडी करा. Okay? For now, I am sending you all the e-book for the electrical machine. Okay? Those who are very close to the college, they can come to college and just pursue a book from a library. Okay? And take that with you. So now, what is the nature of study? What is the nature of study? Now tell me, let me tell you what will be the nature of our study. Okay, so you will say me, sir, there is many chapters are there and what I will do. Now see, electrical machine, you are aware about the machine, right? So what you will do, you will go for the directly DC machine. Okay, so here I had opened the directly DC machine. Okay, so now what we will do, we will just read that separately excited generator and key point. Key point will you will just write it down. How? See here, see this, when a machine is working as a generator, the output quantities of interest are the armature. So how you will write that? So in your notebook or in your rough pages, you will write when machine act as a generator, then output quantity will be voltage, current and power. So like that way you have to write down the notes. Is it okay? Is it possible? Is it that much difficult? Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
So like that you can study. Then transient analysis. Okay. For particular word you should go for very deeply, very well. Then most important thing, you focus on examples. You focus on many examples. That whatever examples you will understand, that is very important. That is very easy. Okay. Because only and only the examples will help you to get mark in a graduate examination. Okay. So first thing, what you will do, you will focus on numericals. Okay. So now, all of you, which subjects you will start from today onwards? Circuit, electrical circuit. Will it be okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, for the electrical circuit, I am sending you Just hold for a minute. Okay. I have posted a link into a chat box. Just try to open. Just try to click and open this. Is it whether opening or not? Whether it is opening or not? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it able to open?
नाही होत सर. हो.
What is the problem?
सर इथं फंडामेंटल म्हणून एक PDF आहे.
So click on that PDF. Okay, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just let me check. Let me show you. See, here you can go for the in-call options, in-call messages, right? So here you can see there is a file, right?
Yes.
Am I right? Right? So click on this link. So it will get you to the Google Chrome or your browser. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me show you. So there is a file which is named as a fundamental, right?
Yes, sir.
Click on that file, click on that file. So once you will click on that file, then another page will open. Okay. Fundamentals of Electric Circuits, third edition, Alexander Sadiku, right? So scroll it down, scroll
Yes.
it down, scroll it down. So at the down, you can see the option of download. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Click on the download. Once you will click on the download, then it will start to download, or you can see the pop-up like this. You can see the pop-up like this, that this is asking for the download, right? Now, is there any still problem? Still, is there any problem?
No.
So click on download. So it will start to download. It will start to download. So see here, you can see it is started to download. See here, fundamentals of electric. You can see 8.46, 8. So this is downloading, right? So we will wait for that. We will wait till it is downloading. Okay. So how many of you started downloading? Very good. So all of you, it is downloading, right? Still anybody having any issue, any problem? Still anyone any problem? Do anyone having a problem?
No, sir.
Very good. So like that way, once that file will be downloaded, let us see what will happen. How many of you downloaded the file? Anyone downloaded?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
have you opened this file?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So is it opening?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you can see this ebook, right? So fundamentals of electric circuit, that is our first unit. Okay, first we can say first subject we are taking for the learning. Okay, so you are starting from today onwards. So those who will just today, so let me give a minute. See, the file is opening. File is open. So now you can read that. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Is that okay? So there is a DC circuit, so you can go for the syllabus. Okay, just keep your syllabus side you and this book. So whatever syllabus is there, you can go for that one. Okay. So tell me who is on Telegram?
Sir, Shreyas Sakre.
You are on Telegram.
Yes.
What is your name on Telegram? Can you tell me the mobile number?
91 96 370.
What? What is mobile number?
96 370.
Okay, another anyone who is on who is in this what we can say
Yes, sir.
Telegram name?
Yes, sir.
Sharad,
Yes,
Sharad Pawar.
FY Sharad Pawar. Okay, so I think black shirt is there, right? Then another one who is in this Telegram,
Ledra.
Snehal. Okay, Sharad, please check whether you are in this group or not. I think I have added you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
झालं guys.
Okay. So now let me share this link to all. Okay, in a chat box, I had pasted a link. Those who are interested and those who can complete a study daily, they can only join. It is not compulsory. Okay, everyone got the link? Everyone got the link? Reply me. Do you got the
Yes, sir.
link?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I think Sachin, Arti, Venkatesh, Shreyas, Sakre, Amish, Amit Kumar, Sharad. All these are joined, right? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So this book again I had sent here. You can check. Okay. So those who are interested, they can only join. Okay, it is not mandatory, it is not compulsory. But those who are joining, they should take care that they will follow the everything. So try to make preparation. Once you will send the screenshot in this group, once you will send the PDF whatever you done in a day in this group, then and only then I will share the further study material for you. Okay, the choice is yours now. Okay, so for the DC motor, now we will go next line, next lecture. We will go for the DC motor, DC machines. Okay, so for now, you just give your attendance. Roll number one. So, as per the roll number, just one thing I would like to tell you that whenever you are in typing your attendance in a chat box, wait for the another people. Okay, so first roll number one will write his attendance, then roll number two, then roll number three. Okay, so sequentially everyone write your attendance into chat box. Those जे कोणी मध्यंतरी त्यांचा रोल नंबर टाकतील त्यांची अटेंडन्स कन्सिडर होणार नाही. ठीक आहे. रोल नंबर वन just send message into chat box as a 1 2 3. hmm. 2 3 4 continue 5 6 7. Just wait for 2 3 seconds. If there is nobody is responding, then try to give yours. Okay, that will be considered as absent. 8 9 10 11 12 13. Immediately do fast. Very good. Yes, 21 22 23 24. जर कोणी नसेल प्रेझेंट तर त्याचा विचार करू नका, लगेच आपली टाका. Those who have given attendance, they can leave the class. Lingade, don't you understand when to give attendance? Bharti, am I audible? Immediately 31, 32, 33, 34, post your attendance. Okay. All had given the attendance, you can leave.